Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. TILRAY, hot medical marijuana company right now, IPO'd back in July. Just wanted to tell people to be a little careful with this. There's some major short squeezes going on here. Very low float. Trading with massive volatility. So if you are trading this, you have to be very nimble, very quick, know where your targets are and know where your stops are, and be prepared to even have it move beyond your stops very rapidly. It got halted multiple times today. Just wanted to tell people to be very careful. Today we essentially, the range of this bar, let's see, just in normal trading, the low was 150-140, the high was 300. So it pretty much traded in a $150 range. Closing, what did it close at? 214.06. So you have to be very nimble to trade this. This is not just a buy and hold. It can go up vertically. It can come back down vertically. At one point, it was valued more than some major long-term successful companies. The market cap was just huge. There's a lot of people who are trying to short this, who, when it squeezes, they literally get their face ripped off. So I would not recommend that right now. And also, if you're trading it from the long side, just don't sit and hodl, because this thing could be all over the place. It could easily, in a moment, return back to $98, the low end of the rotation zone on the daily basis. And in my belief, it would still be overvalued. We could easily return to the 50 moving average also, which would take it back to about, what's that, $65 in a heartbeat. Let me just show you the after hours and some of the minute-to-minute trading in here. So anything in gray, this is a 1 minute chart, is after hours. So you see we opened around 233. A few minutes later, we were trading down to 180. Then we ran all the way up. We went vertical to 300. Keep in mind, when you see a chart go vertical, whether it's on a 1 minute or the daily or the weekly, be very careful. Then it plunged to 231, rallied essentially back to 260 area, then plunged all the way down to just above 150 to 152. Now it's trading just below 200 at 199. So you have to be, if you don't know much about the company or how to trade stuff like this, I'm just advising you only be getting into anything like this with risk capital. And you have to be very nimble, because stocks, when this gets halted and opens again lower, even if you have a stop in, you might get way below it. You might get liquidated at a very different price. When it goes with these super fast moves, I mean, some of these bars are $50 bars in 1 minute. You know, you put in a market order, you don't know whether you're getting filled for a buy or a sell. So just be very careful. And I'd advise most people to steer clear of this. There's a lot safer investments, even if you like volatility or like to day trade or something else. There's safer things than trying to pick tops or bottoms, or even take a chunk out of the middle on this stop and only really use risk capital. A lot of the people who are trading this now were rushed into the cryptos when it went vertical, and you saw what happened to a lot of cryptos. Bitcoin up to 19,000, then back down to 6,000 a few months later. It can happen with a stock too. This is just something. I've been in this industry since 1992, seen it all multiple times, and you see vertical moves like this and vertical crashes like this. So just be, again, very careful. We're here to help people. We're here to just provide advice over YouTube stuff to help people not get themselves into trouble or not get hurt is trading these hot, whether it be cryptos or some of these hot medical marijuana stocks or something else. Just be careful. That's why we're putting this out there. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.